Hi friends, welcome back to our 18 job options for a mechanical engineer job series, part 6, design field. Do you have a dream of working as a mechanical design engineer? Do you have interest in working in a mechanical design industry? Then this video is for you. In this video, we are discussing about key skills required for a design engineer, top mechanical design softwares, and how to become a design engineer as a fresher. So don't miss the video till the end. Before starting, let us know what is a design engineer. Design engineers study, research and develop ideas for the new products and the system used to make them. They also modify existing products or processes to increase efficiency or improve performance. Design engineers are develop, test and improve manufacturing processes and product designs. They often work in teams to boost the functionality of a company's products and advance the methods by which they are made. Design engineers work on almost every consumer product imaginable for large scale production, from telephones and medical equipment to kitchen appliances and car engines. Mechanical design consists of determining the need, synthesis of mechanism, analysis of forces, material selection, design of elements, shape and size, using CAD softwares, modification and testing a prototype using CAE softwares, detailed drawing, production drawing. Nowadays, each and every process uses different kind of softwares. We know the engineering design processes are identify the needs, research the problem, imagine, plan, create and test, then improve or redesign as needed. Now let us discuss what are the key skills required for a design engineer. Mechanical design engineer should know about different mechanical design softwares. Various softwares for CAD, CAE and CAM are available for designing, analysis and simulation purposes. Study most of the softwares or at least some of the main softwares are essential for becoming design engineer. Detailed all softwares are saying in the video next session. Mechanical design engineer should have the knowledge of design subjects. Design engineer should be thorough on basic subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, etc. Design engineer should have good knowledge on engineering subjects like mechanics, thermal, strength of materials, machine design, theory of machines, automobiles, etc. Design engineer should know about SF diagram, bending moment diagram and free body diagrams. Mechanical design engineer should have the knowledge of material science. Design engineer should have good knowledge on mechanical properties like strength, hardness, toughness, elasticity, stiffness, etc. Mechanical design engineer should have the knowledge of manufacturing process. Design engineer should have good knowledge on manufacturing process like casting, molding, forming, shaping, welding and 3D printing, etc. Mechanical design engineer should have the knowledge of cost analysis. Now let us see what are the top mechanical softwares on 2021. Before going to that, let me say something about Unacademy. Unacademy is India's best learning platform that helps you prepare well and succeed in your goal. Unacademy offers its Plus subscription that will give you access to all the courses by top educators for your specified goal structured courses, live classes, regular doubt clearing sessions and regular quizzes will help you to track your performance. Along with this, a lot of free test series organized by Unacademy on a regular basis. One of them is Pareeksha series, the full length mock test series starting from 8th February till 9th February. Mechanical, chemical, CS and IT students. Use my code MECH10 MECH10 to get 10% of discount on all the subscriptions. Now let us move to the top mechanical design softwares of 2021. For explaining easiness, let us divide these software as follows. Design software CAD, analysis and simulation software CAE, manufacturing software CAM and programming languages. We wish to introduce some of the good softwares of all these categories. In this first design software CAD, Autodesk's AutoCAD, Dassault Systems CATIA, PTC's Pro Engineer or CREO, Dassault Systems SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, Autodesk Fusion 360, Unigraphics or Siemens NX, Solid Edge, etc. Next, some of the analysis and simulation softwares, CAE softwares. First one is ANSYS, HyperWorks, Fluent, MATLAB, Nastron, Autodesk CFD, etc. Next is some manufacturing softwares, CAM softwares. First one is Autodesk HSM, Dassault Systems SolidWorks CAM, Siemens NX CAM, Gibbs CAM, Master CAM, etc. Next is some programming languages that are good and essential for mechanical engineers. Some of them are Python, Java, C++, etc. Next, how to become a design engineer as a fresher. Some tips to become a design engineer as a fresher are: study mechanical engineering design subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, mechanics, thermal, strength of materials, machine design, theory of machines, automobile, SF diagram, BM diagram, and free body diagrams, etc. thoroughly. Study most of the softwares said in the video, or at least some of the main softwares are essential for becoming a design engineer. Do a certified course in some design softwares. Develop the skill on drawing, reading, and interpretation skills. Sometimes that is very important and highly recommended for a designer. Do design related internship projects and publication from the study time itself. An impressive portfolio could be an added advantage. Build a good resume. One page resume should speak the academic work which relates to the design field interest. If you have own design ideas, inventions or innovations, you achieve even more. Indian government introduced TEPP scheme for encouraging the public participation in the field of technology and science. You will be funded for your idea and given guidance for getting patents and bringing your products to the market. Finally, design engineer duties include meeting with managers and research and development teams to understand the parameters of design requests, using CAD and computer aided engineering CAE softwares to convert ideas to models and plans, working with other engineers on different aspects of the same project, constructing and testing prototypes and designs, revising ideas as new requirements arise, ensuring all plans and prototypes conform to industry standards and guidelines. These are some of the companies who takes mechanical engineers as design engineer. That's all for the details of design field. As you know, you are watching a 18 job options for a mechanical engineering video series. In this series, including this video, we already covered 6 fields that a mechanical engineer can choose his career. For the details of next categories of industries, please wait for the next video. Thank you.